Airbus announced a major development milestone with the completion of its first SIRTAP drone prototype. The unveiling took place simultaneously in Madrid and at the Paris Air Show in Le Bourget. This marks the transition from production to rigorous ground testing at the Airbus Defence and Space site in Getafe, near Madrid. The initial testing campaign will involve thorough structural assessments, full system diagnostics, and extensive software verifications. These efforts will continue until the aircraft's debut flight, which is scheduled to occur before the end of 2025 at the CUS test range, operated by Spain's aerospace agency ITAR in Huelva. The SIRTAP unmanned aerial system, UAS, is engineered for modern tactical missions with a strong emphasis on intelligence gathering, surveillance operations, and battlefield support. The drone's performance profile is optimized for long-duration flights, exceeding 20 hours, and high-altitude operation at up to 21,000 feet. Designed for deployment across diverse environments, it includes features such as anti-icing technology and thermal regulation, ensuring operational readiness in both hot and freezing conditions, over land and sea. With its streamlined, modular architecture, SIRTAP offers enhanced portability. Its components, including wings, can be detached rapidly for compact storage and transportation aboard aircraft like the C-295. This design ensures it can be deployed quickly in dynamic operational theaters. The system can carry over 180 kilograms of mission-specific payloads, accommodating advanced sensors such as EO/IR/LD packages, SAR/GMTI radar units, and sophisticated electronic warfare gear including ELINT and COMET tools. It is also equipped to perform maritime search and target marking missions, highlighting its multipurpose versatility. This project took a definitive step forward in November 2023 when Spain's Ministry of Defense signed a contract for 9 full systems, each comprising 3 drones and a control hub. This brings the total order to 27 aircraft and 9 ground stations. Airbus is also supplying 2 state-of-the-art simulators for pilot training, which have passed the Critical Design Review, CDR, confirming their final configuration. According to Jean-Brice Dumont, who heads Airbus's Air Power division, the prototype rollout underscores the company's capability to hit program targets on schedule in partnership with key industry contributors. Notably, the entire SIRTAP system is developed and assembled in Spain, furthering the country's ambitions to reinforce its domestic defense manufacturing base and contribute to a pan-European aerospace and security framework. Crucially, SIRTAP's development avoids reliance on ITAR-restricted components, which simplifies its adaptability to international markets. This ITAR-free status opens up export avenues and aligns with Airbus's plans to extend the platform's capabilities. Future upgrades are expected to include a maritime-specific version and the addition of weapon systems, supporting broader strategic goals for European defense self-reliance, fleet modernization, and industrial expansion in the unmanned systems sector.